Number 12. What's the 30th term in the following sequence? Well, a lot of people try and do this sort of problem in their heads, and I think that's an unwise way to go about it. What I like to do is develop a chart and start looking for a pattern. In other words, this will be the nth term in the sequence, the first, the second, third, fourth. And this will be the column with the actual terms. So the first term is 2. Well, what I also like to do is keep things in their pieces, because that helps me see a pattern. In other words, instead of writing 6, I ask myself, how did I get from the 2 to the 6? Because this is a sequence, and there's going to be some relationship. Now, there is the possibility of adding 4, or multiplying by 3, a whole bunch of possibilities. But if we look at the answer, the possibilities of answers we have here, the pattern is of the form 2 times 3 to the something. So with that in mind, I have a pretty safe bet it's 2 times 3. Well, let's see if that's true when we start proceeding downward. Sorry. 2 is the first term. 2 times 3 is the second term. The third term is 18. Ooh, it's looking good, because 18 is 6 times 3. In other words, 2 times 3 times another 3. Further, 54 is 3 times 18. So 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Now we want to try and write it so it looks like some sort of formula. This guy is 2 times 3 cubed. This is 2 times 3 squared. This is 2 times 3 to the first. And this guy is actually 2 times 3 to the, that's right, 0. Because 3 to the 0 is just 1. So if we want the nth term in the sequence, or let me see the nth term, let's see, here we had a 4 and the power was 3. Here we had a 3 and the power was 2. Here we had a 2, the power was 1, etc. So it looks like the nth term is 2 times 3. All of these guys have 2 times 3. To the n minus 1. With that in mind, the 30th term would be 2 times 3, the 30 minus 1, or 2 times 3 to the 29th power. Choice B. Then A is, well, first let me write down what A